In this particular tutorial, I'm going to give you detailed step-by-step guide or instructions on how you are going to use artificial intelligence to recreate your originally snapped image with your smartphone into professional modes. In this, you don't need any paid tool or any expensive gadget for this. You don't need a laptop or anything. What you need basically is your smartphone, your ChatGPT, which is basically free, right? The free one, and Google Gemini, which is basically free for any Google account. Now, this is basically what you need, and your 5 seconds. Then what you need, in recap, is the clear picture of the image you want to transform to professional mode, then your ChatGPT, and also your Google Gemini account. That's all you need.
To get access to this, I've told you that the tools you need basically is a free tool, which is Google Gemini app and ChatGPT app, right? This is Google Gemini app and this is ChatGPT. Then if you don't have this ChatGPT and Google Gemini app, you can go back to Play Store if you are using Android phone. Then you can now search Google Gemini and look at Google Gemini here. It means this is installed, which means I already have this thing installed in my Android phone, which I'm using to do this tutorial now. Then I'll now go back again and search ChatGPT installed, and I still need to update this particular tool to the latest version of this app. Then since I've installed this, I'll now go back again. I should basically have the image of the person I want to recreate in my phone. I should have it snapped in a clear and appealing way that should basically be easy for the software, the AI, to understand the image I have in view, right? First of all, I'll now go to my ChatGPT. The essence of this ChatGPT is to write a video prompt. Like it is this prompt now will tell this Gemini app that this I want you to recreate this particular video for me, picture for me, right? Then look at the features I want to see in that particular image. I want it to be the person to appear in an executive office, in a firm, in a company, in a law company, in a hospital, in this, right? Then look at what I want to see in the background. Look at the type of clothes I want that particular person to be wearing. Like I want him to have maybe a black suit, white shirt, and red tie with a black shoe, right? In this thing, it's going to write a very good prompt for you. Are you getting the point now? So I'm going to write a prompt I've actually written this prompt, so I'm not going to copy it for the sake of time. This is the prompt. Let me even paste it and show you. This is the prompt I've actually written. Like recreate this image by placing the same person in a luxurious executive office, right? Keep the person's office original face, expression, and skin tone exactly as in the reference image. The person should be dressed in a professional business outfit such as tailored suit or formal attire, of which appropriate for an executive setting. The background should feature a modern office with a large wooden desk, leather chairs, sleek computer setup, soft daylight from a window, and subtle decor like bookshelf or framed art. Lighting should be warm and balanced, enhancing the person's face naturally. Maintain realistic texture, depth, and facial details. Do not alter their face shape or identity. The final image should look like a professional portrait of the same person, same individual in a corporate office environment. Then to summarize this, what I'm trying to make you understand that you should keep the original skin tone of that person in view, understand, but change this, change environment, change what I wear, but don't change my face, don't change my appearance, right? This is what this ChatGPT is going to write. I've already written this. I just copied it from where I pasted it, and I just want to show you for the sake of time. Then I'll now go back to my Google Gemini, right? If I go to my Google Gemini, I'll go to new chat because I've been having chat with this Google Gemini since over weeks now. Then this is the interface of Google Gemini basically. Then for you to let me explain this. This create image is basically for you to recreate an image like this, or maybe you have an imagery of the person you want to create, of the environment you want to create, of the tool, of the object you want to create. It will basically what? Create it for you, right? It does two things basically: to recreate your image and to create image for you. This write is for you to write maybe an article, a poem, a blog, or whatsoever. This build is to build a website. Then deep search maybe is an in-depth research of a particular, maybe if you write maybe a book or an in-depth blog, it will write it and give you the output. Then this create video is for you to basically create a video of maybe an event. Maybe you can write maybe a street interview. These trending interviews that is maybe somebody can basically be asking questions on in a street, maybe in a street of Lagos, street of UK, maybe a woman. Then your prompt should basically tell this Gemini, then give interview of maybe an interview as a lady and interviewing a man, maybe in middle 30s, or wearing this or wearing that. This is basically what your prompt should do. Will they be working during the interview, or will they be seated? Will they be doing whatever thing? That's what your prompt should basically what give, and of which what ChatGPT will do for. Once what you need is what, give ChatGPT maybe what a clear idea of you want to create, and it will give you a detailed prompt of that particular what event or a picture, right? I'll click on this plus, go to my gallery, and add this beautiful lady here, right? I'll add this beautiful lady. I'll now paste that my prompt here, right? And I'll now send it. It will look at this particular image of this beautiful lady and use these prompts and recreate it. That is what it will do in a refined approach and manner. Let's see results. He said just a second, blah 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 blah. Look at it here. Are you seeing? Oh my goodness, look at, oh God. Then look at it now. Okay, let's go to the original picture. You can see this picture. This lady now is smiling, right? Very happy, right? With a necklace and everything. Did you see the output of this part? The lady is smiling here, very happy in an executive office. Okay, look at this look through window and bookshelf. That is the option as in the prompt. Look at the system. Okay, you guys watching this tutorial now, what's the difference between this and this lady? If I show you these two pictures, won't you believe that this is the exact picture of this lady in view, right? So this is basically, it's not difficult to learn in a space of 2 seconds. What is this? Is it up to 2 seconds? Is this in a space of a second? It has generated or given us a clear picture of this, right? Okay, then if you want to save it by, you can click this, then go to download here and download it. Let me even open it, right? I will look at this video. I can basically send this lady this picture and collect maybe 10k or 15k or 13k or whatever I want to collect from her. But this is maybe a very good image of this lady in an executive office. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I want you to subscribe, like, comment and share, so that YouTube can basically push these videos to people who need to watch and learn from what I just given. I gave you this in free of charge, did not pay. So like, comment and share to your friends and loved ones so that they can learn and also create your pictures and image of them and their friends in this executive award office. Then when you create yours, send me your created image in the comment sections, or you can send it to my WhatsApp number or anything so I can see what to do. If you are choked in any way, then you can comment, give me whatever. If you are choked in maybe in the process, comment your issues and I will help you out. Thank you and God bless you.